Hi guys, welcome to this quick review of this LUXFURNI Hollywood tabletop makeup trifold mirror with USB powered dimmable light touch control. It is about $89 and it's called a professional vanity mirror. It has HD lighted mirror, soft and not glaring LED bulbs switch by the touch control and simulate the lighting of various occasions. One mirror for different beauties. Here a little bit of technical instructions or information about this really nice mirror. So this is what we get. We get the mirror, we get the cable, we get the charger, and the instruction manual. The manual comes even closed with a seal inside, but it's not much. It is, but at least it has a website from the manufacturer, like probably support, which you can get. It tells you what you can do if it's not working properly. Means just plug it off and then re-plug it back, so it would then reset the whole thing and it should work again. A little bit about the company, and so how we have to use it regarding power. It looks like it has to be permanent plugged in, so that's no rechargeable battery inside or something like that. But of course you can use it with a power pack. So I'm trying this now and I plug this in and let's see. Okay, I have already light. I see it on the back. You can't see that. I can clearly see that it is illuminated. Yes, definitely works with such a thing. It's maybe an option if you're too far away from an outlet. It could work definitely with something like that, at least for a while, maybe not for months, and then you can recharge it, but it's definitely an option. So it has a trifold design. As we can see here, we can change the angle, we can make it totally straight. You have to be a little bit careful. As you can see, it's not as stable anymore, so I highly recommend to use it a little bit folded, which is actually also the intention, so you can see it, so you can see yourself from every angle. The really awesome thing about that, you can really fully close, I mean both sides, and store it in a small area, and so that prevents it from any dust and scratches if you don't want to use it all the time. But of course I would definitely use it all the time. It's easy control, smart makeup mirror with touch control to adjust brightness. It has a 15 minutes auto off feature to save energy. The lifespan of the LEDs is supposed to be 80,000 hours, and it can be operated with the power supply, which is included, including a cable, or you can use a power bank, which I did here. I have hidden it a little bit. You can see that it will last for quite some time. It's really nice and beautiful. Here you can see, here's the touch control. Turn it off, turn it on. It will remember the last setting, and if you long press, it will go up till the maximum, and then you can do same thing to the absolute minimum. Really nice thing. As far as I have been able to see, it is really good quality. It is man-made wooden base, but everything has a really nice high quality finish. Mirrors are looking good, lights are looking good. I couldn't see anything really bad. I mean, you have to just be aware of it needs permanent power. There's no rechargeable battery included with that, so either you're using the permanent power adapter, which is included, or a power bank. to give you some indication how long such a power bank could power such a mirror, I've been measuring the current, and I have found out that if you have it on highest settings and you use a 5000 milliampere power bank, it would last about 10 hours, but that's with really full power on the lamps. So if you're using the lowest settings, which is this, it could last for 500 hours. That's a lot. I mean, that's roughly 20 days. If you don't use the days and only nights, it will probably last for a couple of months. So that's really good that you have a really low power option, that you can go so low. That's a really nice thing. You have to just make sure that you don't use a power bank which turns off the power automatically. That's the only thing. But apart from that, you always have the option to use this thing here. That's definitely a more convenient option if you have the possibility to use normal power, but you can definitely use a power bank as well. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just leave anything in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you want to buy this really nice mirror, then I'll put down the link into the description underneath, and so you can order it right away with this link from Amazon. And yeah, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.